Hey there, it's Carrie Rhodes here. Welcome back to the Trinity Stamps YouTube channel and sneak peek day 2 of our upcoming release, the April 30th release. It's outer space themed, and today I'm showing you everything alien and UFO, starting with some stamp sets in this category. First up, we have a 2x3 stamp set called Abducted. It's going to come with the coordinating dies, which I absolutely love, and these are silhouette images of things getting abducted into a spaceship. There is a cow, a dog, two different cats, two different people, or three, two different aliens, and some polka dots in there that you can add in for whatever you want it to be. And I think this is so much fun and a perfect way to kick off our sneak peek today. Here you can see all of those silhouette images stamped on white paper with black ink, and how much detail these have. I love it. It is so much fun, and we're going to have something else in today's video that coordinates with this. Maybe a little something that these are getting sucked up into, so stay tuned for that. Here they are die cut out with the coordinating dies, and you can see how nicely they cut around there. Here's the little alien. So cute. Okay, we're moving on to another stamp set, 4x6. This one is called Your Stellar, and it's got some really fun images that give me a total like 1980s cartoon vibe, like Rainbow Bright or something. So much fun, very nostalgic. I love that planet that looks like a heart. So you've got a little alien and a UFO and a rocket, some sparkles, and it says, "I've searched the entire universe and I can confirm there's no one as stellar as you." Isn't that so cute? And there's our coordinating dies, and one thing I really love about this die set is that there's an extra die in there that is kind of a standalone die. It's the heart frame. You can die cut out that heart and paper piece it over the top of the heart on the rocket, and you can use just the frame, just the heart that goes inside, or both, and do it with different colors. And of course you can use that heart for plenty of other things besides this stamp and die set. So I love that. It's a little extra, a little bonus. So there you saw the images stamped out. I'm going to show you a card with that in a later part of this video, so stay tuned. This is the We've Come for Cake stamp set. This is a 4x8 set. It's got a bunch of fun sentiments there. As you can see, we've come for the cake. We've come to party. It's just really fun. Got milk, and you can have it abducting the cow. There's party hats, a little farm scene, an extra alien. Really super fun. And the die set has something cool too. It has a frame for that little like tractor beam, so you can create a shaker, which is exactly what I'm going to show you in just a second. But also, I wanted to point out the party hats in this set. You can stamp them onto the aliens or the cow after you stamp them out, but also there is a die that you can use to die cut out the party hats. So if you've already die cut out that single alien by itself, you can always then die cut out the hat and stick it on top. So there's different ways you can use the hats, and I wanted to make sure and let you know about that. So here's the images all colored and die cut out, ready to go on my card. Do you want to see it? Because it's pretty cool. So I did create a shaker in that tractor beam, and I put the cake there, and I also made it light up with a one light. I mentioned this in yesterday's video, but so many of the products in this release have been made to work well for light up cards, especially the Pear Blossom Press lights, like the one light that I used on this one. So if you haven't checked out Pear Blossom Press for lights, you definitely should do that, because it's going to bring these things to life that we have in this release. And speaking of fun things in this release, you've got to check out this Time Warp letterpress plate. So this is a press plate. You can add ink to this and then run it through a press system, and it will press this image into your paper and transfer the ink. I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. In case you're new to this, I'm going to use the Better Press system from Spellbinders, lay that Time Warp plate right onto it, and cover this with ink. I'm using black ink here, and I'm going to press it onto some paper that's like watercolor paper, but you can play with lots of different papers and different inks with this and get the result that you like. So here's that paper. It's taped down to the platen, which is part of this Better Press system. I ran that through my die machine and it pressed that image into this paper. So there's indentations, which can be hard to see on a video, but it is there and it is super cool. But not only that, you can also use press plates for hot foiling. So if you're into hot foiling, you get like a 2-for-1 with these plates. I've done it here with rainbow, but I also took the negative of that rainbow hot foil and hot foiled it so that the time warp little like design is white. And I added that little UFO with the alien from the Your Stellar stamp set to this image and just made a really fun, bright, sparkly card. I love the sentiment from that set, and I added some little action wobbler behind my alien, and I think it's just a really fun card. There's so much fun to be had with this release. Okay, let's move on to some new stencils. This is the halftone stencil. Oh my gosh, it is so cool. It goes from larger circles on the bottom and top or the sides into some smaller circles with a really cool pattern. So this can be used for a lot of different things, but it's a really cool retro vibe that you can use with a lot of the outer space stuff that we have. So here I've done that going from dark purple to lighter purple to pink in the center. I used it on this card right here, which I already showed you, but I wanted you to really focus on that stencil this time when I'm showing you the card. It's just a really cool background. Next, we have a crater layer stencil and die set. So this is a 2-for-1 as well. This is going to create like a crater look that you can have your little astronaut, your little alien stand on. It also comes with like a crater or like a meteor, asteroid, something flying through the air, and then there are some sparkles that you can die cut out, little sparkles, little stars, little dots, and I love that you can add that to your scene. So you can just create a whole card just with this. It's very awesome. So here's what it looks like once you stencil it out. It is 3 layers, and I've shown you that here with 3 different colors, and I am going to show you this on a card. Stand by because I like to combine all the things. So let's look at our standalone dies, starting out with Tiny UFO, which is paired perfectly with the Abducted stamp and die set. So there you can see all the little pieces that are going to create this UFO, plus it comes with a greeting. It says, "Greetings, Earthlings." It's so cute. So they have all these layering pieces here that you can use to create this UFO right here. Isn't that fun? And look in the window of the UFO. There's the alien head from the Abducted stamp set. It fits in there perfectly. And then you've got your little tractor beam there, if that's what it's called. And you can see you can lay those pieces from Abducted and they can just float right up. I used the cow on this card. I used the Tiny UFO, and I used the Greetings, Earthling. And if you haven't watched Sneak Peek Day 1, the background of this card is in that video. So it's called Starfield. It's another letterpress set. I also made this one light up with twinkle lights from Pear Blossom Press. Isn't that fun? Such a cool combination with the Tiny UFO and the Abducted stamp and die set. I love it. Okay, next is another crowd favorite. I think this is going to be one of our most popular die sets. It's Tiny Alien. Can you stand how cute this is? And it's simple. Look at him, but he's adorable. It's just a 4-piece die set, a head, the body, 2 layers for the eyes, and the mouth. I guess it's 5 pieces. Yeah. So here I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to put together. I like to use our ribbon stick sheets on the back of these tiny die cuts so I can turn them into stickers and just stick them right down to my pieces. And like I said, there's 2 layers for the eyes. So I have the largest circle done with white, and then the layering piece done with black. I guess I'm struggling a little bit here to get it stuck on there, but you can see the second layer, that black layer, is a circle with a circle cut out of it to make the pupils for the eye. It's perfect. So there he is, ready to go. So darn cute. I do have a card with this. I layered him onto this light up cupcake space themed card, shape card, and I have that crater layer there at the bottom. I added a little UFO, which is actually from a set I showed yesterday called Milky Way, and I added a candle light to this card, so you get to blow out your candle. Isn't that fun? So you actually blow on it, and a little microphone hears the sound of the and blows out the light. It is so magical, also from Pear Blossom Press. So I thought that was a really fun birthday card with the tiny alien on top. Next, we have our Space Saucer die set. Guess who fits in this perfectly? Tiny alien. And this die set has a frame, so you can easily make a shaker out of it, and I love that so much. So here's all the pieces die cut out. You're going to layer them all up to create your UFO. You can die cut that frame layer several times and stick it together to create the dimension that you need for a shaker. And think of all the fun color combinations you could do to make this flying saucer come to life. I love it. So here it is. I did make it a shaker. I put another tiny alien in there, this time pink, because why not? And then I added some new shaker elements, which I'm going to show you at the very end of this video. I love them. So here that is on a card, and I made this not only a shaker, but a slider card, because we have a new Emergency Card Essentials die set number 3 that allows you to create sliders on your cards. So I love it. And I thought it was really fun to pair Tiny Alien with Tiny Astronaut on this one card. Very fun. Okay, next up we have UFO Hello. This is going to create a flying saucer as if you're like looking down on it from above. So it's got this round circle, and if you know anything about Trinity stamps, you might be thinking, hey, does this work with the circle shape card? And yes, it does. It fits on our circle shape card, and it's a perfect card with this UFO on it and the alien like peeking out from the window. It's so fun. So let's take a look at all the parts and pieces. You can die cut that circle as a solid circle. You can also cut it with the one that creates all the little die cut pieces, and then you're going to get a frame. And then also from that piece you can create those little sections to fill in the frame. There's also this die right here that creates a little circle frame to go around the circle openings in each of those pieces that create like the sections of the spaceship. This fills in your window, and you can add the little like steering wheel and alien to that. There's 2 layers for the alien, the body, and then an extra layer for the head, and then a die that creates the eyes, some cheeks, and a mouth. And you're going to see where my alien is inside the shaker when I push the light. You can see I've used a halo light on this one to light it up. And there's the alien on the inside of the card. I use my Emergency Card Essentials die set number 2 for that pop-up, and I've put it on our circle shape card. So you can see all the fun things together on this card, and a dome shaker. The dome is also from Pear Blossom Press that fits perfectly in that UFO. Okay, next I have to share this special gift with you. If you purchase the full release bundle at Trinity Stamps, you are going to get this exclusive stamp set. It's the only way to get it. It's the Espresso Terrestrial, there we go, stamp set that is exclusive for those of you that get the entire release bundle. Okay, now let's take a look at some embellishments. These are new shaker pops in the shop, and you know how we like to do things at Trinity Stamps. We like to have all of the colors. So with these new shaker pops, they're more translucent with a little bit of a pearlized shine to them, and they are gorgeous. So much fun for shakers, and I love that you can customize and get different colors. If you want to mix them, you can mix them. This one's already mixed. It's blue and white. It's, I think, Bubble Bath, and it might have released in our last release, but I put it here so you could see all of these together. Such a fun variety of colors, and like any color you're going to need is in this right here. And we also have 2 of them in a mix. So I wanted to show you that. Look how gorgeous. This one's a softer palette and the other one is more bright. And I'm going to pour that one out so you can get a close-up look at it, because these mixes not only have a variety of colors, it also has a variety of sizes. There's bigger beads and smaller beads. So if you are like me and you love shaker cards, these are a gift. They're amazing. Look how gorgeous that is. I think it's perfect for outer space themed cards. Love the colors there. So much fun. And I love that it has the tiny, tiny beads in there. So look for that. We also have other new embellishments. I'm going to share those tomorrow in our full release video. So tomorrow's release day, April 30th, release day. We have the full release video, an Instagram hop, a YouTube hop, plus shopping. The shop will be open with this new release. So check it all out tomorrow. I'll see you then. Happy stamping. Bye.